This is a review and overview of the Last Frontier UTV Adventure Shore Excursion in Skagway, Alaska, booked through Norwegian Cruise Lines. This shore excursion starts in Skagway Harbor, where you board a ferry, which takes about 45 minutes to get to Haines, Alaska, which is an island on which the excursion takes place. The ferry ride is very comfortable, it's very scenic through one of the fjords, and the tour guide gives some good information along the way. Once you get to Haines, you get on a bus and you take about a 30-minute drive through the wilderness to the UTV riding area. Once you arrive, everyone is fitted with a helmet, and then you're given a small safety briefing on things you should do, things to avoid, how to operate the UTVs. These are all 4-seater UTVs. So there's one driver and 3 passengers. If you only have 2 people in your group like we did, there was only just a driver and a passenger. In order to drive the UTV, you needed to be at least 21 years old to be a driver. These machines are very fun to drive, they're very capable off-road, they're very fast. Most of the time the speed was between 15 to 25 miles an hour. They did not allow passing, so you simply stay behind the UTV that's in front of you. Our excursion took place the end of July 2023. And it had rained earlier that morning, but it wasn't raining at the time of our excursion. The trail was a little bit wet, a little damp, but it kept the dust down, so it was great weather. It was only about 60 degrees and just needed a light jacket. Total ride time was about an hour and 45 minutes. We made 2 stops at 2 different points where there was nice overlooks, take some pictures and take a break. So here are some clips of our very scenic and fun ride through the backcountry of Haines, Alaska. At the end of your hour and 45-minute ride, you go back to the staging area where there's a small sack lunch available to you, and then you get back on the bus, travel back to Haines, and then back on the ferry to Skagway. So total travel time is about 3 hours, and ride time on the UTV about an hour and 45 minutes. This was a very fun, exciting, and relaxing adventure in Skagway, Alaska. We would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.